Mainly there are two types of energy sources. First is renewable energy and second is non-renewable energy. As you can see on the screen, in this video we will see renewable energy sources, its advantages and disadvantages. What is renewable energy sources? The energy sources which can be renewed by the reproduction, then it is called renewable energy sources. Sun, wind, water and any other natural elements which can be used to reproduction of energy are called renewable energy sources. Solar energy, wind energy, hydrogen energy, ocean energy, bioenergy, geothermal energy, all are the most used energy sources of 2020. Now let's see each energy in detail. First is solar energy. Solar energy comes from sun and reaches to the earth as light or heat. For example, solar panels are used to transfer solar energy into electrical energy or thermal energy, which helps to heat water. Second is wind energy. It is also called eolic energy. These wind turbines are used to convert wind energy into electricity. Third is tidal wave energy. Tidal energy comes from the movement of sea waves. When tides changes from high to low, it converts energy and that energy converts into electricity. Fourth is hydraulic energy. Hydropower plants capture the energy of falling water to generate electricity. A turbine converts the kinetic energy of falling water in mechanical energy. Then a generator converts the mechanical energy into electric energy. You can see on the screen. Next is geothermal energy. Geothermal plants use steam to generate electricity. The steam comes from reservoirs of hot waters found of a few miles or more than below Earth's surface. The steam rotates a turbine that activates a generator and which creates electricity. As you can see on the screen, renewable energy sources are called non-conventional energy sources also, and non-renewable energy sources are called conventional sources. Now we will see advantages of renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources are environmental friendly. They don't drop CO2 and greenhouse effect gases into the atmosphere. They are also limitless because they are produced by natural resources. So they are available at any point of time anywhere. Next is they are safer for our health because they won't generate any toxic gases which harm human bodies. These all are the major advantages of renewable energy sources. Now let's see disadvantages of renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources are not found everywhere. For example, solar energy are not much found on European countries. Their availability is on random basis because they are generated from natural resources. As you can see on the screen, fossil fuel, coal, nuclear, natural gas, they all are the part of non-renewable energy sources, or you can say conventional sources.